a nigga would do that without a hand in his life. Like, you wouldn't know that as a nigga. But clock that
No,
that
not clock it. Clock that rakai.
Same shit, different toilets, bruv.
Oh.
Clock that tea, and originally it's clock it. You know, originally it's clock it, but akhaya ukufundisa ezinye kodwa sizoyithatha ngoba unjida. But originally it's clock it.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, we understand.
Yeah.
Peanut, can you speak Sotho?
Oh, so like you Sotho, not Zulu.
I'm Zulu, so I can speak both Zulu and Sotho. But you do know how to speak Zulu, or you do understand it. So I'm trying to do like a language barrier thing where I speak Xhosa and then you're gonna speak another language, which is Sotho.
Yeah.
So, yes, I'm Sotho.
Yeah.
Outside.
No, I don't. Understand.
All right. So manje like. Yes, guys.
Isotho yabuwa ane yabuwa.
Yeah, wabuwa ka Sotho wabuwa.
Wabuwa.
And then mina ndiyathetha andithi mina ndiyathetha.
Yeah, Xhosa yathetha.
Yeah. So kusukela ngoku sizawuthetha, wena uzawuthetha iSotho mina ndizawuthetha isiXhosa.
Kanjani? Buwa kanjani? Wabuwa kanjani? Peanuts is not listening.
I was next year Sotho. Uwazi ukubuwa nje kuphela.
Yeah, wabuwa, yeah.
So it was ukhuluma ama-language angaki Peanut?
2. English and Xhosa.
Ow.
Okay.
So like, do you understand like Sepedi or Sotho? Like, do you understand it?
I don't think you understand, but like last month it was my this month it was my first time being at Joburg.
Really?
Like I spent my whole life here in PE. So like,
oh man, then you need to do a lot of things in Joburg, okay?
So like, when I come back, you must show me around.
If you get the approval from your girlfriend, then I will show you. But if your girlfriend doesn't approve it, then I'm sorry, but I cannot do anything.
Okay, yeah, sure.
So text your girlfriend, tell your girlfriend, oh, baby, manya at Joburg. I would like Tando to show me a Gover City or to go karting with Tando because you are not going to be there or whatsoever. I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah.
So uzomcela Peanut angifuni ukuthiwa hey Thando wenze sona so hey akhaya sona so hey
Themba mina.
Oh ngithembe akhaya girl yabona indoda yakho ithi ngithembe.
I think she's offline. Or like
also uyazi ukuthi akabukanga the live.
I don't know if like only blocked or like she's offline. I'm not sure.
Bashimane. Wait, what's about Bashimane king?
Boys. Ane? Yeah. Xhosa amakwekwe. Abafana, yeah.
No, abafana asama winkwenkwe wena. Akusinkwenkwe ngesixhosa and then abafana Zulu.
Don't like sure. Ane Repeat after me. Peanuts.
Peanuts.
Uyindoda
Uyindoda.
yam wena.
Aish. Ndiyabona bakwethu angenzanga lutho mina. So please stop coming to my comment section and ask me about this nigga and be like, I'm the one that tubered their relationship. I'm the one that broke their relationship. Meanwhile, okay. Ooh,
Jokes, I'm just joking. No.
It's just jokes or not. Kodwa mina angenzanga lutho bakwethu. You guys are attacking.
Any intro yam like my intro goes like funny peanuts. So started peanuts. Jokes. Everything that I say is just jokes.
Oh, ufuna
Yeah.
ngithathe peanuts mina.
Funny peanuts.
Ndiyazifuna peanuts.
Jokes.
Guys, listen. Okay, I feel like we are joking too much. Like it's to the point where we are forgetting that we are both taken. But guys, guys, we are just probably like comfortable around each other. You know,
Yeah, and
we have that
like
brother
I'm
and
happy
sister
that like
relationship and stuff.
yeah, like I'm happy that you are comfortable around me. You know what I'm saying?
Ungayenzi sound kanjalo nawe ke.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, hey, let's see the subs. How many subs you on? We even forgot about the subs.
Subs, ish. I've forgotten.
They are born-
3K guys, 3K
Okay,
guys.
so 495 more people. Please go search on YouTube, Mr. Peanut, and let's get this
Peanut.
nigga to 3,000 subscribers.
Don't say that word on live.
What, nigga?
No, Tando.
Nigga, what the fuck? I'm a black ass person. You not white too, so why shouldn't we say it? Nigga.
You, ish.
Orumhlophe. Ooh,
Nah.
exactly.
Let's get to 3K guys. 3K subs.
3,000 subscribers. Mr. Peanut
Let's go.
on YouTube. Let's get him. Okay, we have 4 minutes. I'm giving you guys till 45. 23:45. 23:45. Let's get this nigga to like 3K.
Balele.
Ubani?
Wabalelanga.
Abazali bakho.
No, like people. Okay. Yeah, it's going up now. 3K guys, 3K.
Mr. Peanut on YouTube.
Tano, Bafana is going to World Cup next year. Do you support soccer?
Nigga, never mind whether I watch soccer or not, or I like soccer or not. Did you see those tickets? Did you see how much the tickets are? There's
No,
a
like-
fucking ticket for 4 million rand, nigga.
4 million rand.
4 million, and the least I've seen is probably like 100,000 rand.
You.
Nanoma bangathi ngi-rich kangakanani emhlabeni for itikiti.
Angeke.
Lokubukela ibhola ngingalibukela e-TV. Ngizolibukela
Lechewani.
Angeke.
Angeke.
Guys, 3K subscribers, please. Let's go to 3,000. Why is it 3 though? Why are you guys saying 3K? Why are you guys saying 3?
So like we should say 3,000 subscribers.
Oh,
not
they
3K.
probably they probably mocking you. Peanut, guys, you get on peanuts. Not like everybody.